given the government the best brains that are going to turn around the economy within few years so that Kenyans can feel that their money is safe, so that Kenyans can feel that they are part of the government. Kisumu Ria.
Yeah.
Kisumu Tibim.
Tibim.
So that is basically why we are here. Opiyo Wandayi, John Mbadi, move on. We are with you. We people of Kisumu, we support your appointments and we want to see you work for the people of Kenya. It is not about the Luo community. But again, Luos are also Kenyans. Luos have paid taxes since the inception of Kenya. And since Kenya government started in 1963, when Kenyatta shared government with the Queen of England, no Luo has been in the position of Minister of Finance. Yeah. This is the first time that a Luo is being nominated in that position. And therefore, the entire Luo nation is happy. The entire ODM fraternity is happy. Kisumu Ria.
Yeah.
So we know Mbadi knows mathematics. We know Mbadi as somebody who is very thorough in his work. And we know Mbadi is going to deliver in that appointment and in that position. Kisumu Tibim.
Tibim.
So that is basically where we are. I have some members of the Kisumu residents here. I have Mr. Ogendo, I have Mr. Tosha, and the rest who can also say something.
Nachukua fursa hii kupongezi rais wetu wa Kenya, Jamhuri wa Kenya. Majina yangu ni Mheshimiwa Salim Onyango, Mheshimiwa Mtajaria Manyata B Ward. Nachukua fursa hii kupongezi rais wetu wa Kenya, Mr. Somaye Ruto, kwa kutupatia fursa sisi kama watu wa ODM na watu wetu hasa Honorable Mbadi na Honorable Opiyo Wandayi. Sisi kama wana ODM, we are really in for the government. Na tuko ndani, na tunasema tuko ndani. Sisi watu wa ODM wa GK, wale wengine wakipenda kuenda opposition, waende opposition, watu wamenyane. And this thing, hiyo sio mzaa. Saa hii mpangolio hii ni mpango wa 2027. Tumeanza kujipanga. Na saa hii tumeamua tusaidie Ruto na apange kazi na wanakenya wajivunie kuwa wanakenya. Vile vile mkubwa wetu, kinara wetu wa ODM Raila Odinga, ametoka na sisi mbali kama wanakenya. Na ametufikisha mbali. Na amesaidia wengi. It is now high time, hata Biblia inasema, njoo tusemehane. Now we are dialoguing. And once we've dialogued, imeleta mazaa. Tumepata waziri. Na sisi kama watu wa Kisumu tunasema na tumefurahia tuingie serikali. Sisi pia tunatoa usuru. Usuru yetu inasaibika. Na usuru yetu lazima sisi pia tujivunie, tukue ndani ya serikali, hizo mazao, hizo mazuri tupate. Vile vile, tangu uhuru ya Kenya, hatujawahi kupata waziri wa fedha. Saa hii tumebarikiwa na tunafurahi kamwe tumepata. Saa hii Mbadi ni mtu wa mathematics, ni mtu amesoma hesabu. Atatusaidia sana. Let Mbadi hand euros and dollars for Luos today and more so for Kenyans. Na hata agenda ya Ruto ilikuwa mambo ya stima. Tunaona mambo ya energy yamepewa Opiyo Wandayi. Wacha Kenya iwake moto ya stima kila nyumba, kila mahali, kila shule, everywhere. Sisi tunasema, na hata wale walikuwa hapo kutangulia sio kufika. Tunawashukuru pia, mlituandalia barabara na saa hii tumefika. Na Mungu wabariki.
And another thing that I want to put across is that the reason why there was these issues of demonstration is that because we talk a lot with Kenyans here in Kisumu and the rest of Kenya, is that we want the next budget, if Kenya is doing the next budget, the government should put more allocation on public participation. Kenyans do not know how their monies are being utilized. So if more money is allocated in public participation, then Kenyans therefore should be encouraged to participate in their various wards, their various constituencies, so that we know the amount of a project, how much the government has financed, and who is the contractor doing the work. That one will also ease tension and will give Kenyans a lot of confidence. More allocation should be given to public participation so that Kenyans participate and feel part and parcel of the government. Lastly, in Luo, Jodala wa untie, Kisumo untie, wawa choka magi doka chila ka jo Kisumo. Sana jo Kisumu Central Constituency to Kisumu County at large. Ni wagone Ruto erokamano, President mar Kenya. Kuom yiero Mbadi kaka Minister mar Finance, Minister mar Omenda, Kisumo untie. Nyaka Kenya ne chakre onge kuma jaluo osebede aguch Kenya. Omiyo wang'e Mbadi maber ni ng'ama ong'e kwano ma wiyo go tole e weche mag kwano. Kendo Mbadi dhi tiyo maber kabisa. Kisumo untie. Wang'ni pesa boninde Kisumo ka, pesa boninde Homabay, pesa boninde Siaya gi Migori. Jo Kenya wamiyo ng'ama ber, ng'ama ong'e kwano, mok dhi kwalo pesa u. Wamiyo ng'ama competent ma dhi konyo jo Kenya. Awacho koso kawacho. Wach mogik, Honorable Opiyo Wandayi. Bende ng'ama ber kabisa kendo ng'ama wasetiyogo nyaka e party ka. Weche mag sitima adona wacho jo Kenya ni Wandayi dhi sort out weche mag sitima to gi weche mag petroleum bei ya mafuta idhi los tem aduogo piny ma joma waoro ka mogik nitie weche ma wachore manego waler ne jo media wan kaka jo Kisumo wa support jang'wen kende wa support CPA John Mbadi wa support Honorable Opiyo Wandayi wa support Honorable Joho wa support weeklies of Oparanya kani ija ODM mano dhi chon tiyo gi sirikal chon waonge kodi mano inandho andhoga joma wa support gin jok ma party otero nyingi jadi jang'wen ma en Honorable Mbadi, Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, Honorable Joe to gi governor machon mane kaka Mega Wycliffe Ambassa Oparanya kani wuok iwera ila tok yiero ni dhi tiyo gi sirikal podi manandho andhoga kendo wanyisi ni kochopo 2027 wadhi deal kodi vilivyo ni wadhi perpendicularly
members mag ODM etelo ODM pod ochung' e position koso sani gitiyo kanyakla kod
sirikal nyicha lwar ODM obiro mana mondo jol sirikal. ODM en party mochung' kar kende mag leadership mare. Wana kwa jone sirikal, wamiyo mana sirikal wich maler mondo konygi, mondo Kenya odhi mbele. Awacho koso kawacho. ODM en party man kar kende, e party maduong' East and Central Africa, southern of Limpopo. Awacho koso kawacho. Wamiyo wana kwa jone sirikal ka jo ODM. Wamiyo konyo mana sirikal Ruto mondo odhi mbele kikogore piny. Wamiyo ngama wiye ler, wamiyo Mbadi, wamiyo koso kwa meyo. Wamiyo Opiyo Wandayi, wamiyo koso kwa meyo. Wamiyo Wycliffe Oparanya to gi jo mondo kony sirikal nyaka 2027 kochopo kanyo ODM dhi golo a presidential candidate madhi chung' gi Ruto no 2027. Public participation jo Kenya mang'eny ok ong'eyo kaka omenda tiyo emomiyo wadwaro ni ka sirikal timo budget to ket maino maduong' e weche mag public participation mondo jo Kenya ong'e ni to pesa mogol ne project ni en pesa di to dhi timo ang'o to contractor en ng'a mondo jo Kenya ong'e tich matire e gweng'no ni ng'ane matiye to tiye at this coast mondo jo Kenya move together in terms of weche mag development. Gender.